So to go from the beginning, we can say that girls faced gender discrimination in the West right from the very beginning. The trend of gender based orientation and upbringing of children was common in Western society. Girls from a very early age were socialized and indoctrinated to believe that they were homemakers, good cooks, and baby carers, and more submissive by nature. Whereas the boys are socialized to be breadwinners, professionals, and leaders, and more aggressive by nature. Now, this a kind of a typical and a stereotype presentation, perception, in fact, perception of girls and boys. When we look at critically, we see that first we want to say that there is no problem whatsoever in the institution of family and in the family in the responsibilities of woman as a mother and a wife, uh, a sister, a daughter, in all these positions. But the problem arises when how it is presented, how it is perceived, and it is demarcated, it is segregated, it is isolated, it is cut off from the society, from the role of woman in society, with no participation in society at all, as though she has nothing to do with the society. She is preoccupied, she has to be preoccupied only as a cook, as a baby carer, and as a homemaker. And whereas the boys are trained and they are presented, they are perceived as though they are the ones who are going to be the leaders in the society. They are going to look into all the other economic, social, and political affairs of the society, manage the society, and do all the needed. So when this kind of unfair indoctrination was performed in different ways, through giving them different toys based on their supposedly different functions of life that were expected by the patriarchal society, and through the so-called gender-based expressions. Girls like dolls to play with because they are future baby begetters and their take carers, and boys like to play with balls, guns, and some professional sets because they are future professionals in various fields.